Lizzie here, partner and principal architect with Trail Consult, and I am very excited to share a success story with you with our friends at Apex Holdings. Now, what's more important than anything to us at Trail Consult is that we have referenceable clients, and I'm very honored to share this specific client story. Now, Apex Holdings, for context, they work within the mining and engineering space. They supply heavy equipment as well as OEM equipment to different mines across EMEA, and they were going through a modernization of their lead to quote process. And some of the challenges they had were around managing multiple price books in both US dollars and different local currencies, but also ensuring they could manage contracted pricing for a number of their key accounts. Now, throughout the process, we were able to deliver this project leveraging our industry accelerators. So we're able to really optimize their time to value, which was a huge driver for them, as well as from an outcome standpoint, increasing and reducing the actual speed to quote, which is really important in their industry to make sure that they had the right quotes accurately quoted and out on time, and ensuring that we were able to improve the team productivity from the sales team, sales engineers, and management being able to approve and view the margins against each project and each quote. Now, why was Trail Consult engaged? I think it boiled down to two or three things. The first is having industry perspective, having a very strong point of view on what the client needed and ensuring that we're able to deliver it within the agreed upon timeline, as well as having referenceable examples that we could talk to and that we could share with the client. Now, our methodology obviously was one of the big pieces, being able to manage risks. I'm sure everyone knows a quoting project can be extremely complex and can go off the rails very quickly. But we had a fantastic client in Apex who was able to take our advice and work very well to accomplish this project in the agreed timeframe. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. I also wanted to share a customer testimonial, and this came directly from our customer and our partners in Apex. So the degree of skill shown in the optimizing of our system has been remarkable. This understanding was essential in effectively addressing the problems and providing advice suited to our operational requirements. So I wanted to say thank you to Ruben and the entire Apex Holding team for a successful project. And we're very grateful to have you as partners and customers. And to the entire Trail Consult delivery team for a phenomenal job well done. And I look forward to sharing more success stories over the coming months.